Now, good morning, children of class 5. Now, today I'm going to teach you about introduction. So, you have learned the parts of speech I have taught you all. You are thorough with noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective. You all know it. Prepositions I have revised with you all, and then I did conjunction with you all, and now the last one is left, interjection. Introjection. What is an introjection? Introjection are words that express, that shows your deep or sudden emotion or feeling. Suddenly you have some feeling. Okay. You see something and you get some feeling. So you want to express that. You want to say it out. Okay. So then what you do is you use some words to show your feelings. That is called interjection. Did you understand? To a sudden emotion of feeling which you want to express is called interjections. It is usually interjection is followed by an exclamatory mark. That is a mark, a line like this and a dot. Understood? It is usually followed. Now let's come. I'll show you. I'll just discuss about some introductions and the feelings. Now, alas. What is alas? Alas is sorrow. Sorrow means sad. Did you understand? Sorrow, alas, I lost. I lost the game. Alas, he has passed away. Okay, so these words and you using when grief, and alas also you use when you are grief means pain from inside you have. Did you understand? Pitur থেকে যে ব্যথাটা আসে, that is you're using two words, that is alas, or you're saying মরে গেছে, বেচারা মরে গেছে. Did you understand? He's dead. So these are the sorrow, the sadness or grief. Sorrow. Did you understand? Now, alas, you're using in sadness. যখন কেউ মরে গেলে, কেউ খুবই অসুস্থ আছে, তোমার কোনো প্রিয়, then you use it. When you say, that is also when you're in grief, when you're in pain, when you're in sorrow. Did you understand? Now, what we next is yuppie. Yuppie, you say. So the way you say, when you say alas, so you know that you are not happy. Tumhar expression ta dekha, your expression shows you're not happy. Did you understand? So yuppie means you're very happy, you're delighted, you are excited. Yuppie. Okay, you're delighted. Yuppie, you say. So you use these words, you've seen in some cartoons and all, the children, they use it. Okay, now hooray, that is also joy. Hooray, today is a holiday, you say. And then when you are very happy and you have won the match or you gave the answer, then what you say? Yes, we did it. Yes, you do, isn't it? So these are the words which are very used for delighted, joy. Understood? Yes. So yuppie, hooray, yes. Okay, so these are the words you're using for delightness, for joy. Now, bravo you say when you beat your shoulder. Someone says bravo, very good, well done. Okay, understood? So even well done is also your expression, your feelings. Some feeling which comes out, a special word, you have to say that is an introduction. And whenever you see in the book, it will have an exclamative mark. That means it is introduction. Okay, now bravo means appreciation. Appreciation means appreciating someone. Very good, well done, excellent. All these are all the introductions. Did you understand? Now, oops, apologizing. You're apologizing means you're saying excuse me. In a way, you're saying you want to say excuse me, but you're not saying excuse me, you're saying oops. Tarmane, what that means? You are regretting. You have stamped someone's feet. Okay, karo pao opre tumi pao diye dile ar tumi bolte chao sorry. So you are not saying sorry, you're saying oops. Tar mane, you know you have made a mistake and you want to cover it up. You want to say sorry. That means in a way it is a sorry. Oops, I did not do it knowingly. I mean, Jane called them now. Did you understand? Now, next one is wow. When you say wow, see how the word is wow means something that is wonder, but something very great. Mane, you can't believe. So sweet, so nice, so beautiful. Wow, Muktike. Mane, all words beroche na Muktike. Your words are not coming out. You want to appreciate more and more. So it is a surprise also for you. It is a wonder for you. Did you understand? Adbhut jinish, shundo jinish. Then you say wow. Now when you say damn it, that means displeasure. You're not happy. You are not happy about it. Did you understand? Then you say damn it, this happened, right? Damn it, chidede. That means you're not happy about it. Chidede, hoye geche, damn it. Now shit, when you say shit, and now that is annoyance, that is your um, angry. You're angry means you're irritated with it, like you are expecting something good. Okay, like you're seeing the TV and you're expecting that hero is going to box the villain nicely, but what happens, the villain boxes the hero, then you say shit. That means you are not happy about it and you are angry about it, so you say shit. So suddenly you say the rain started, you got dressed, you want to go for a party and the rain started, then you say shit, it started raining. That means you didn't want the rain to come but it came. So a sudden feeling you got, you said shit, যা বৃষ্টি হওয়া শুরু হয়ে গেল, that you say যা, you say no, this is shit. Did you understand? Oh means surprise. Did you understand? Surprise. Oh, you're অবাক হয়ে গেছো. Then you're going to say surprising thing, something happened. Okay? So, and then pain. Oh, I have a very bad headache. My head is spinning. Oh, you say that. Then when pain you say. Then when you're in sorrow. Oh, what happened today? I just lost my purse. So you're in sorrow. Did you understand? You dukh korcho. When you're very sorrow, when then you say oh. Oh, you say when you're in sorrow. Oh, you say when you're in pain. Oh, you say when you're surprised also. Now, Lou. Lou means look, someone see, look, he's coming. That is attention gathering. Okay, you're gathering everyone's shabaike, look, then everyone will look. What happened? Lou, when you say. So that is also an introduction. Did you understand? That is suddenly you're gathering everyone's attention and they are looking. Lou, you say. Instead of saying the whole word, look who's coming. So you say, Lou. Did you understand? No, hush, shh, you say. That means someone's sleeping. That is also you're gathering attention. Shh, chup karo. Don't make noise. Shh. Understood? Now, what? Sometimes you use some words like what, how, oh no. Hey, you have that style of saying, oh no. Understood? What happened? Means that is also he passed away. That is also betha. That is your pain. You're feeling sad that man has passed away. What a pity. What a sad story. Kore. Now, sure is also in a way surely you'll say. So you're happy. You're saying surely that is all. Well done. Well done. That is I told you bravo. Good job. Okay. Yeah. All these words, yeah, you should say all these words. All the words, I'm just removing some words and telling you all. So these are the words you're feeling, your emotions. So according to the sentence, the emotion comes. You will see in the sentences there'll be that is exclamation mark, that is one line and one dot will be there. So you'll know this is introduction. Other thing is when you are saying some feeling, you will know it. Did you all understand, everyone? So learn it I have explained everything for you all, and now I'm going to give you some exercises. Thank you, children.